Guys, this is Jessica and welcome back to my channel. So today I have something brand new to my channel that I have never tried before. It is the Allure beauty box. Now I got this because they had a NikkieTutorials beauty box with kind of like some of her favorite things, so I thought I would purchase it and give it a try. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell right next to it to get notified of whenever I post new videos. Also, if you want to add me on my social media like my Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, definitely check out all that stuff. I am always having fun on there. Got two of these right here. They are the Bliss Holographic Foil Eye Mask. So yeah, I cannot wait to try these. I came in the box is just a little travel size of this Neutrogena makeup cleansers. These are really good if you are looking for a makeup cleanser. This came in the box. Now this is from Luna or Sunday Riley. I'm not sure which one, but it is a retinol sleeping night oil. So I am really excited to try this out. A NYX Lingerie Lipstick. It's a really pretty color. This is from LA Splash and it is a slim eyeliner. I mean, look how thin that is. So I am super excited to use this. We have the Nubian palette, which I am super excited. I think they specially made this for this box. So it is just about 6 shades. So I am super excited to try this out. Last but not least, this is probably why I got this box, is it came with the NikkieTutorials Ofra highlighter wheel. I am so excited to use this. I cannot wait. So yeah. So I have most of my makeup done except for my eyeshadow and stuff like that. So that is what we are going to be doing. So let's hop into the makeup part, guys. I think I'm going to start out with this bottom matte color. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this darker matte color right here. I'm just going to take a flat brush and I'm going to take this kind of metallic. Then I'm just going to go back in with that first color we used and just kind of blend out that crease color a little bit and go back and get a little bit more of that darker color. My thoughts on the Nubian palette is they are really beautiful colors. The formula is super creamy. The mattes go on amazing. There's no skipping or anything like that. The metallic ones are really beautiful. I didn't even have to use any water or setting spray, and they do have that beautiful shine. Of course, if you do use the water or a setting spray, they will be even more metallic. The next thing I am going to try is the eyeliner from LA Splash. I've heard nothing but good things about this. So this eyeliner, it is a pretty good eyeliner. I'm not used to using like the felt tip pencil eyeliners, but I really did like it. It got the tip of my wing super sharp and detailed. It didn't tug on my skin or anything like that. It was very easy to apply. I really did like this eyeliner. So I have my lashes on and I have my bottom waterline on. I just wanted to show you swatches of that Nubian palette. The matte ones, when you swatch them, they're not as impressive, but on the eyes they blend beautifully. But the metallic ones are really, really beautiful, but it's just a really beautiful palette. So I'm just going to take that dark color that we put in our outer crease, and I'm just going to put it as close to my bottom lash line as possible. Of course, you could stop here, but I like to smoke it out, grunge it up a little bit. So then we are just going to take that color that we put in our crease, just on a little shader brush, and I'm just going to smoke out that bottom lash line. So now I think what I'm gonna do is we're gonna put on our lip color. Now this is from NYX and it's part of their lingerie line, and this is number 24, which is Cabaret Show. So the formula of this NYX, it's not like a creamy one. I don't know if I'm just used to my Jeffree Star lips or whatever, but there's just something with the way that this feels on my lips that I'm not really liking. But so here are the highlights we have, and I don't think they have the names of these either. So here are those highlight colors. So pretty. Not feeling this lipstick at all, so what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it off, because I'm just gonna use my Jeffree Star Celebrity Skin. Alright guys, so this is the finished product of our Allure beauty box. I hope you enjoy this unboxing and this kind of quick little tutorial. If you would like to see more videos like this or more subscription boxes from Allure, definitely let me know in the comments down below or give me a thumbs up and I will definitely do that. They're not that expensive. I got this one for a special price at $8, but originally they are $15, so that's really not that bad. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye.